That shit is fat.
You can barely tell.
What do you mean you can barely tell?
You can barely tell.